All the information on this video is published for general information and fun purposes only. I do not make any warranties about the completeness, reliability, and accuracy of this information. Any action you take upon the information you find on this video is strictly at your own risk. I will not be liable for any losses and/or damages in connection with the use of my video. Episode 1. Question 1. What is the largest snake in the world? Option A, Black Mamba. Option B, Rattlesnake. Option C, King Cobra. Option D, Green Anaconda. The correct answer is option D, Green Anaconda. The green anaconda, also known as a giant anaconda, is found in South America. It is the heaviest and one of the longest known extant snake species. Question 2. What was the name of the first calculating device? Option A, calculator. Option B, Pascaline. Option C, Turing machine. Option D, abacus. The correct answer is option D, abacus. The abacus, also called a counting frame, is a calculating tool that has been used since ancient times. It was used in the ancient Near East, Europe, China, and Russia, centuries before the adoption of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Question 3. How many planets are in our solar system? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option B, 8. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Question 4. The 2 holes of the nose are called? Option A, nostrils. Option B, larynx. Option C, eyelids. Option D, melanin. The correct answer is option A, nostrils. A nostril is one of the 2 holes in your nose through which you breathe, smell, and, sometimes, sneeze. Question 5. What is the capital of Canada? Option A, Ottawa. Option B, Rome. Option C, Washington, D.C. Option D, Canberra. The correct answer is option A, Ottawa. Ottawa is Canada's capital, in the east of southern Ontario, near the city of Montreal and in the U.S. border, which is sitting on the Ottawa River. Question 6. Who discovered about gravity? Option A, Galileo Galilei. Option B, Leonardo da Vinci. Option C, James Watt. Option D, Isaac Newton. The correct answer is option D, Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, theologian. He was a key figure in the philosophical revolution known as the Enlightenment. Question 7. When is Independence Day celebrated in India? Option A, 15th January. Option B, 26th January. Option C, 15th August. Option D, 26th August. The correct answer is option C. On August 15, 1947, the first Prime Minister of India raised the Indian national flag above the Red Fort in Delhi. Question 8. In which season do we wear warm clothes? Option A, autumn. Option B, winter. Option C, spring. Option D, summer. The correct answer is option B. Winter is the coldest season of the year in polar and temperate zones. It occurs between autumn and spring. The tilt of Earth's axis causes seasons. Question 9. What is another name for butterfly larva? Option A, pupa. Option B, adult. Option C, caterpillar. Option D, fawn. The correct answer is option C, caterpillar. Caterpillars are the larval stage of members of the order Lepidoptera. Question 10. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Option A, Neptune. Option B, Mercury. Option C, Earth. Option D, Jupiter. The correct answer is option D, Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Question 11. Who is called the father of the computer? Option A, Alan Turing. Option B, Tim Berners-Lee. Option C, Charles Babbage. Option D, Blaise Pascal. The correct answer is option C, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, and an inventor who is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer. Question 12. How many legs does a mosquito have? Option A, 4, option B, 6, option C, 8, option D, 10. The correct answer is option B, 6. Do you know mosquitoes are members of a group of almost 3,600 species of small flies within the family Culicidae? The word mosquito is Spanish and Portuguese for little fly. Question 13. A group of sheep is called? Option A, pack. Option B, flock. Option C, school. Option D, pride. The correct answer is option B, flock. A group of sheep is called a flock. Question 14. Who invented Java? Option A, Dennis Ritchie. Option B, James Gosling. Option C, Byrne. Option D, Linus Torvalds. The correct answer is option B, James Gosling. James Gosling is often referred to as Dr. Java. He is a Canadian computer scientist, best known as the founder and lead designer behind the Java programming language. Question 15. Which planet is closer to the Sun? Option A, Earth. Option B, Venus. Option C, Mars. Option D, Mercury. The correct answer is option D, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the Sun's planets. Question 16. What is the baby of zebra is called? Option A, Joey. Option B, kitten. Option C, cub. Option D, colt. The correct answer is option D, colt. A young uncastrated male horse, in particular one less than 4 years old. Question 17. Which among the following is not an input device? Option A, mouse. Option B, printer. Option C, keyboard. Option D, scanner. The correct answer is option B, printer. A printer is a peripheral machine which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Question 18. Which planet is often called red planet? Option A, Earth. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Mars. Option D, Uranus. The correct answer is option C, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Question 19. What is the time taken by the light of the Sun to reach Earth? Option A, 5 minute 20 second. Option B, 6 minute 20 second. Option C, 7 minute 20 second. Option D, 8 minute 20 second. The correct answer is option D, 8 minute 20 second. Light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach from the Sun to the Earth. Question 20. Which of these is called the baby of fish? Option A, spiderling. Option B, caterpillar. Option C, fry. Option D, tadpole. The correct answer is option C, fry. Fry are very young fish. They are tiny in size, but most will get bigger quite quickly. Fry will start to eat by themselves, and this is an important development for helping them to grow and get stronger. As the fry gets bigger, it becomes known as a juvenile.